Hello, this is Tyler J. Tilbera from Smile Now Dental Group, here to tell you about your upcoming 10-week appointment. About 10 weeks after your procedure, this is a very exciting phase of your treatment. This appointment is all about evaluating your healing and beginning the process of refining your final smile. This can be a lengthy appointment, usually an hour and a half to 2 hours, so it's important that you arrive on time to ensure that we can pay careful attention to every step. First off, we'll take a new 3D scan, also called a CBCT. This allows us to confirm that your implants have properly integrated with your bone and are stable and healthy. Second, we'll take updated digital scans of your teeth and gums. As your body heals, it's completely normal for small gaps to develop between your bridge and your gums. We use these new scans to redesign your teeth so everything fits more precisely. This is also where we refine both the function and appearance of your smile based on your preferences. In addition to altering the size, shape, and alignment of the teeth, we may also add additional back teeth at this stage. Early on, we sometimes keep the bridge slightly short to reduce pressure on your implants while they heal. Now that things are more stable, we can safely expand your bite. Our fourth step is shade selection. In most cases, your temporary teeth are the whitest shade that can naturally be achieved, B1. In some cases, patients will opt for an even brighter bleach shade if they want a more Hollywood type aesthetic. In cases where there are still existing teeth, we will often match those teeth. Then, we'll gently remove your current bridge so we can evaluate your gums and soft tissue, as well as tighten the abutments that are screwed into the implants. This ensures that everything is healing properly and you are ready for the next phase. We'll also be able to rescan the implants with digital photogrammetry to ensure a precise fit down to fractions of a millimeter. This portion of the process is generally a totally painless procedure and rarely requires any type of numbing. Finally, we'll take updated photos of your smile. This will help us fine-tune the shape, symmetry, and overall appearance of your teeth. At the end of today's visit, you'll leave with your current temporary bridge in place. At your next appointment, we'll deliver your new prototype teeth. These are an important step in protecting your smile. If you've chosen the nanoceramic option or a snap-in denture, these prototypes will serve as your long-term provisionals before upgrading to your final zirconia teeth in the case of the fixed. If it's a snap-in, it's actually your final. If you're moving directly towards zirconia, the prototypes allow us to confirm everything, from fit to aesthetics, is exactly right before we create your final set. This stage is where your new smile really starts to come together. We'll continue to refine every detail to make sure that your final result looks great, feels natural, and functions perfectly. Thank you.